Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add picture to your mobile keyboard. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your keyboard. Here is your keyboard. If you want to add picture on this, you just have to press on these three dots. Now click on theme. Here it is. You can change color theme of your keyboard, or if you want to create a new theme, then press on this plus icon. You can choose your colors from it. And now if you want to add picture on it, then press on this background image. Select gallery and choose your photo. And press on crop. That's it. Now you have to press on the save option. So this is how you can add picture to your mobile keyboard. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.